Here is the key fob for your Nissan Qashqai. First thing we'll do is get the physical key out of the key fob. Now right over there you see those two small slots. We need to get a small flathead screwdriver to put in those slots and twist it. So get a small flathead screwdriver, put it right in that slot and then twist it. And that's going to help you pry the key fob open. Once it pries open a little bit, just follow along that edge and repeat the process. Put the screwdriver in there, twist it, and then move along, and eventually the key fob is going to open up like this. And there you go, the battery is right there. Get the screwdriver again and then use it the way I'm showing to pry the battery out of there. Just be patient, it may take a few seconds, and there it comes. The battery size is CER2032. The plus side is marked with the plus sign there. There are no markings on the negative side. Check the link in the description to buy your new battery. Get the new battery, and when you're putting it in, you have to make sure that the negative side is facing upwards. It even states it over there with the battery with the negative facing upwards. This is the way to put it back in. Get the other part of the key fob, and if this happens, the entire chip just falls off, don't worry. Just put it back in its position. Get this side with the battery on that, and now just press them together to clip it on, and that is good. Don't forget to put your physical key back in, and let's go out and try it out. And it's working fine, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.